guys, I'm here and Linda. Today we'll be playing this game with Vanessa.
Yeah.
What? Why do you sound like that?
I'm dead inside right now.
You're dead inside? Let's click
so
start. Searching for online friends. Join a friend.
Okay, hold on. Shit. Okay.
Play game.
I select the file. I create world. Okay. I play the game. Searching for online friends. Join you.
Oh, I see you. Oh, now you're gone. Oh, and now I see a fridge with rings and blah 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 stuff. Blah 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 stuff. So I don't know what we're supposed to do. Like, what are we supposed to do? I don't know. Let's go here. What's?
Where?
Ooh.
I don't see it.
Upgrade. Upgrade failed. Efficient fuel. Wait, what the?
Upgrade failed. Evolution.
What are we supposed to do?
Next upgrade requires 2 microwave dinners. What? I don't get it.
I'm going upstairs. I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm going upstairs too. Oh my god, I just
Is this it?
I'm going more upstairs.
I don't see anything.
It's just a storage area. How boring.
Wow.
Let's go.
Oh my god. Oh.
Let's exit. I go to exit.
Whee! Blue Fort Port. Can we skip this somehow?
No.
Oh, there's food on the roof.
Oh, well.
I'm gonna get that.
Oh, we were in the refrigerator the whole entire time.
I literally saw your name. I'm a hoverer. I'm gonna go get the food up here. I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm a.
Ow.
Oh.
I bumped into.
Ooh, there's food over there. Food. 1, 2. These rats.
Ow.
Those rats. They want and hide the cheese in the sewer. They are been stealing cheese from the hospital the hotel for so long. Someone needs to stop them. So we need 100 foods for that.
Ow.
So, hello. How are you? Nice weather we're having. The ocean is so pretty.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Yes, it's so pretty. Whatever. I don't really care about that. Oh. Oh, there's food over there. Wait, what the heck? What just happened? Wait, what? What?
No.
I think something just happened. Oh.
No.
Oh.
Oh, there's a timer.
Okay. Where are you right now? I'm gathering a lot of food at the deck. The ocean area.
I'm gathering food. No need to worry.
How much do you have right now?
I don't. Oh. It says that I have 30.
It says I have 28. I'm gonna go to this cute island. Oh. Forgot! I can't go in the water. I have to hover. Oh my god, I died. Oh my god. Okay. This is getting ridiculous. Oh, I'm so cute like that. time to try. Oh.
Where? Oh.
I'm gonna try to. I can't get there. I'm gonna go roll.
Oh, chicken. Oh. Linda.
What? Oh.
Okay.
Where are you right now?
I'm at the beach.
Where at the beach?
At the beach.
Oh my god. This whole island's almost a beach. Ugh. Can you be more specific, please?
How am I supposed to know what the name is? I don't even know.
Well, there's parkour here. This means something good, right? Oh my god. Oh my god. Very bad reaction.
Ooh.
Where are you even right now?
Eating.
What do you mean eating?
Yeah, I'm eating chicken. What else?
Where? I said, where are you?
At the land.
Oh my god!
Hey, robot. Hey, robot.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, you. I bet you could use this ramp to get a bunch of speed with that wheel of yours. You could probably use it across the water.
Actually, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that parkour.
That would be so cool. On you, I can't do that.
Be Pacific, where you are.
Pacific. What's Pacific? Oh.
Oh, you're right there.
Hi. How you get up there?
Oh, double jump.
Oh.
You could double jump.
I didn't know.
You could wall climb too, so like.
Oh.
I'm climbing. What should the goal be, Vanessa?
What?
The goal of the video.
Pee.
What?
Gotta go pee. Is that what you're saying?
No! I never said gotta go pee.
I thought you said that.
Why would I even say that?
I don't know. Linda, I think I'm stuck.
Where are you?
I'm hanging on my dear life. Oh,
Where?
never mind.
Whee!
Oh, I did something. Now how? There. Ow. That hurt.
I know how to get out of here. I have to die. Okay, this time not gonna go there. Well, what's the goal for the video, Vanessa?
I don't know.
Is that you?
That me what?
Rolling?
No.
Oh, there's this place I could unlock.
Man, how do I get up there?
Where are you? I'm at this place where you could see. It's like at this city. The city, and then you come to the bridge, walk over the bridge, and then there's this place that you could buy for 60 food. Vanessa?
Yeah. What?
I said I am at a place where it says that I could buy it for 60 food.
For 60 food?
Yeah. Next is next to the city near a bridge. You go on the bridge. Oh, is that you? No, I don't think so. That's you. That's not you. That is not you. Is that you? No, that's not you. Where are you?
Nowhere.
Why wouldn't you tell me where you are? I unlocked an area. I don't know what this is, but I unlocked it. Restaurant. Oh, I'm at a restaurant. Hello, Bob. Call it Bob. I think it is actually Bob, but like, it's not big, dude. It says Bob. You just crossed out the L on Blob. Welcome to the restaurant. Oh, a robot? A microwave robot? You must be here for a job. Go talk to Chef Blob. He's straight back in the kitchen. Vanessa, you know what the goal is going to be for this video?
No. Never said about anything about gold.
Yeah, Hi, I'm the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing much cooking because nobody will help me. I'll help. Great. I need food for the soup. Get some and put them in the pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. Oh, I rolled into him. Where is everything anyways? What is this? What? Use lever. So, pick up. My God, big lettuce.
Those rats, they went away and hid the cheese in the sewer. They've been stealing cheese from the
I keep falling off of this thing.
to stop them.
Oh my God. Drop. I got one out of the other things. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's see. There's a bunch of chicken up there. Oh, I could break the crates.
I'm in the sewer.
Whoa, what is this? What is this secret area? Oh, I got the meat.
This This vault has the best. You'll ever make it past the buttons.
Drop. I got the chicken. Now it's time for fish and a carrot. Where am I gonna get that?
What am I supposed to do in the sewer? Huh?
Hey. Oh, hey. You must be a new guy. Just be careful inside the freezer. I hear there's loose vents that could fall at any moment. I really need to fix that. Oh, you a broken table? There's crates. I'm a roll. I got the carrots. Whee! Fall off the ceiling like usual. Oh. Alright, let's go here. I still can't jump over that. One tiny step for some odd reason. Okay, now I need the fish. Oh, bumped into something. Okay, let's go up again and let's see. Oh, I said I bumped into something again. Why am I that clumsy? Is there anything else up here, actually? Drop down. Then I'm gonna talk to the... Oh, the waitress does nothing, and I'm climbing on his face. Is there like a secret thing? Like, no, there's no secret thing.
Where are the things start getting tricky? Where is this thing start getting tricky? This is where things.
Chef, do you know where everything else is?
You'll need to get 2 pieces of cheese into the next room. Good luck. But
where is the... Where is it? Like, literally, where is it? Wait, what the?
Okay.
Oh, is that the... How do I get up there? Maybe hovering would work. How do I get that fish? That's the plot. How do I get that fish? You said there was a vent from the freezer. I'm gonna roll the up.
What, Squeak? You got the door open.
Oh.
The
There's a vent somewhere. Oh.
Stop this robot. Well, at least you don't know what the next room is.
It's kind of lagging right now.
But that next room is color coded.
This is so annoying. Why is it lagging so much? Oh my god! Really?
This is where things actually
Oh, I did it somehow.
But you said that like over 1 billion times, huh?
How do I get this vent into the vent?
Oh, not supposed to.
How do I do this? Oh. How do I get this fish?
Pick it up.
Oh, there's crates up there. I didn't see those. I'm so stupid. Let's go.
Aw. I glitched. What? Okay.
The goal of my video is to get all the ingredients. Hey. Whoa. Oh. Wait, what the heck just happened? I think How do I get the fish without falling in the water?
No.
Let's see. Go through here and this way. How am I gonna get the fish? Oh, the fish is right here. Oh, I got the fish. I got the fish. I got the fish. Jump off the roof. Like usual. Woo. Okay, let's go to the kitchen. Roll to the kitchen. I mean, yeah, roll to the. Why am I not rolling? Oh, I did because I have wrong way.
We go to here. Emergency exit. No, I can't go.
Drop. Wow, you have finished collecting everything for the soup. Go talk to Chef Blob. Whoa, you got everything? Thanks. This is going to be delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bubbles in the soup, the restaurant's pet? Haha, I'm messing with ya. It must have been another fish you had, right? I think I killed Mr. Bubbles. I killed Mr. Bubbles. I'm putting the soup. Continue. Anyway, thanks for helping. I'll give you this. You can have it. We don't talk about the incident. Just help get this reward. Microwave. You got microwave dinner. I got microwave dinner. Take it to the core when you use as full power. Collect enough to upgrade on your words. Woo!
I'm supposed to go in the sewer.
Did it.
I need help.
So, Vanessa,
Yeah?
can I end my video here?
I'm gonna end your video here.
What?
I'm gonna end your video there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, that's it for my video. If you want to watch another long video of this, watch Vanessa's channel. Bye.